Yeah, Harsha, can I hear you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you completed exercise 5.4?
Ma'am, like we have exams on Sunday, so I was preparing for an exam.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did till question 9 and I didn't have any problem there.
Okay. Anybody else? Rita, Hamna? Okay, so as your exams are coming, if you want to ask some doubts or you have some problems you're not able to solve, we can also discuss that if you wish now. So AP is coming in the exam, Harsha, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I'll tell you which question you have to do. Open exercise 5.4. Let's do some questions here. Rida, please open exercise 5.4. Now, question number 26. Can you tell me how many 3 digits number are divisible by 7? Please do it. Yes, can you do it?
Ma'am, is it 128?
Okay. Rida, what is your answer?
Same, ma'am.
128. Okay, then I think it's correct. Okay, now start doing from question number 27, 27, 28, 29. So 27th is if the 17th term of an AP is 5 more than twice the 8th term. Okay, please do it. Harsha, which chapters are coming in the exam?
Pair of linear equations, arithmetic progressions, coordinate geometry, and quadratic equations.
Okay, so we have done all the chapters, but please do word problems of linear equations because you made mistakes in the test.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please do all the examples of R.D. Sharma. At least all the examples are there. Please do them on your own.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm getting D as 4 and AN as 4 M minus 1.
Okay, which question? The 17th term of an AP. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the nth term. Okay. So what is your nth term? Okay, the 17th term of an AP is, that means A17 is 5 more than twice its 8th term, right? Okay. So that means A plus 17 minus 1 into D is equal to 5 plus 2 into A plus 8 minus 1 into D, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So A plus 16D is equal to 5 plus, so this is 2A and plus 2 into 7 is 14D. Okay, so means A plus 16D and minus 5 minus 2A minus 14D is equal to 0. So this is minus of A, right? Plus 2D
Yes, ma'am.
and minus of 5 is equal to 0. So I can take a minus common. So A minus 2D and plus 5 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
Okay. So from here A is 2D minus 5. Okay. Second equation. if the 11th term of an AP is 43, so A11 is 43. Find the nth term, right? So A plus 11 minus 1 into D is 47. So A plus 10D is 47. So I can put the value of A. So 2D minus 5 and plus 10D is 47. 47 or 43? 43, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 2D plus 10D. So it's 12D is equal to 43 plus 5. So 12D is how much? 8, 48, right? So D is 4,
4.
right? Yeah. D is 4, so that means A is 2 into 4 and minus 5. So 8 minus 5, which is 3. So An is A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So An is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 4. Or you can 3 plus 4n minus 4. So this is 1 plus 4n. I'm getting it.
Ma'am, 4 and minus 1, right?
Mm. Oh, yeah, okay, sorry. 4n minus 1, yes.
Yeah, I got the same.
Hmm. Now you can start with exercise 5.5, okay?
Okay.
Because other questions are similar that you can do.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in
Mm.
coordinate geometry question.
Okay, which question? NCRT?
No, ma'am, from addition only.
Just a minute, let me open. Yeah, which exercise?
Ma'am, 6.2, question 30.
1, 3,
No, ma'am, 30.
3, 0, okay. An equilateral triangle has two vertices. Okay, find the coordinates of the third vertex. Okay. So these are the points. Let me call it A, which is 3 and 4. And B is minus 2 and 3. Okay, Rida and Hamna, you please keep on doing exercise 5.5 if you can hear me, okay? And please ask where you get stuck. Okay, find the coordinates of the third vertex. It's an equilateral triangle. So the length of each side has to be same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And two coordinates are given. So let A and B are given. So here AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So one by one, let us find out. So AB is equal to, or AB square is equal to, it will be 3 plus 2 whole square, right? And plus 4 plus 3, no, 4 minus 3 whole square. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 5 square plus 1 square. Okay, so this is 25 plus 1, which is 26. So your your AB is square root of 26. Okay, B and C. So if I assume C to be X and Y, right? Okay,
Okay.
so BC square is X plus 2 whole square and plus Y minus 3 whole square. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and how much is AC then? Okay, let us find out this. So basically, this BC square, mm, or make it BC, right? So basically, this BC is equal to AB. So in place of BC, can I write under root of 26 is equal to this,
Yes, ma'am.
right? X plus 2 whole square and plus y minus 3 whole square, because BC is equal to AB. Okay, so square both sides, so you get 26 is equal to this x square plus 2 into 2 4x and plus 4 and plus y square plus 9 minus 6y, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so uh, anyway, leave it here. Now BC, so find AC now, or AC square. Now what was coordinate of A? 3 and 4,
3,
right?
4. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
and C is this x and y. Okay, so this is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay, so AC square I can again write AB square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is x square plus 3 into 3 9 and minus 6x plus y square minus plus 16 minus 8y. Okay, so this is also equal to 26 basically, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So ultimately your equation number 1 and 2, the LHS is same, so you can equate them, I think.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I do it that way?
Yes, ma'am, I think.
Let us see. So x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to x square. I mean, without expanding the bracket also you can equate and then expand. It's up to you. So basically this x square cancels out and y square cancels out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And I think this plus 9 also goes. What else? Okay, then you have 4x and then plus 4 minus of 6y and then bring everything here. So plus of 6x minus of 16 plus of 8y is equal to 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I get here 10x, right? And plus of 2y and then minus of 14 is equal to 0. And if I take 2
And
common,
minus of 12, right?
16 minus 4, yeah, sure, okay, 12. So 5x and plus y is equal to 6. So I'm getting like one equation in x and y. Now from where I'll get the other equation? Basically, when I am equating equation number 1 and 2, so ultimately what I'm equating is, so I was finding AC square here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And here I was finding what? BC square, right?
Yes.
So when I equate like AC square is equal to BC square, so I'm getting this equation. If this is the triangle A, B, and C. So AC square and BC square I'm equating. Okay.
And we can substitute the value of any one variable, maybe.
Y where? In one of the equation.
Yes, ma'am.
Which equation? But I don't have any other equation, right? After equating this, I'm getting only one equation. So basically I'm equating these two sides, AC square and BC square. So I'm getting it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I can do one thing. I can equate any other pair. Like I can equate AB square and BC square.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll get the other equation. Okay. Now what were the coordinates? 3 and 4 and
We
B.
have already done that, right?
1 minute. 2 and 3 and this X and Y. AB is equal to BC. Yeah, that I have done. Okay. Yeah, so after doing AB is equal to BC, I was getting equation number 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Let me give it a thought. I think I should use some other property here. Okay, let me just give. I'm just thinking. You keep on doing questions. I'll just discuss it with you.
Okay. Ma'am, can you explain the fourth question of 5.5?
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, actually, I was just thinking about this question. We can do one thing here, Harsha. Yeah, I was just solving it. At
Yes,
least this much we have got, right? Let us finish it. So from here, we can find the value of y at least. So 6 minus of 5x, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. So basically, just a little bit back, this was the triangle. So A, B, C, right? So
Yes,
basically, when I'm doing this, mm, like AC square is equal to BC square. So I'm getting this equation, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I take any other pair, for example, AB square is equal to BC square. This I'm taking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I get is this. A coordinates were 3 and 4, and B was how much?
Minus 2 and 3.
Minus 2 and 3. Okay. And this is X and Y. So AB square means this 3 plus 2. AB square is like already we know 26 is
26.
equal to BC is this X plus 2 whole square and plus Y minus 3 whole square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 26 is equal to X square plus 2 into 2 4x and plus 4. Then you have y square minus of 6y and plus 9. Okay, so at least y we can substitute here. So 26 is equal to x square plus 4x, and this 4 plus 9 will become 13 and plus. So y is this 6 minus of 5x whole square and minus 6 into this 6 minus of 5x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 26 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 13, and this again square. So 6 into 6 is 36, and then 5 into 5 is 25 x square, and then minus 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 6 is 60x, minus 6 into 6 is 36, minus minus plus 6 into 5 is 30 x. So 26 is equal to how many x square? 25 plus 1. So 26x square, right? And then
Yes,
x terms are 4x and then minus of 60x. Okay, so minus 60 plus 30 is minus of 30, right?
yes, ma'am.
Minus 30 plus 4 is
Minus
minus of
26.
26x. Okay. And this cancels out, right?
Yes,
And 13. Okay. Now, okay, so 26, at least 13 I can take common, right? So
yes,
2
ma'am.
is equal to 2x square minus of x and plus 1. So this becomes 2x square minus x and plus 1 and minus 2. So I get minus of 1 is equal to 0, right? So this
Yes,
is a
ma'am. Ma'am,
quadratic
it will be
equation.
minus 2x only, right?
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Minus 2x minus 1. It's right now, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now it's a quadratic equation, so you can solve it. So make factors of 2. So 2x square and minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? No. What I have done is, sorry. So ultimately I have to factorize 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or no problem, use quadratic formula, right? So x is equal to minus of b, that means plus of 2, right? And plus minus b square minus 4ac. b is this
4.
minus 2 minus 4ac. So 4 into 2 and c is minus 1 divided by 2a. So 2 into 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you get 2 plus minus square root of, this is 4 and minus minus plus. 4 into 2 is 8, right? And then divided by 4. So that gives you 2 plus minus under root of 12 and divided by 4, right? So
Yes.
12 is 2 into 6, 2 into 3. So 2 can come out. 2 under root 3 divided by 4, right? So
Yes.
this will become 2 you can take common. So 1 plus minus under root 3 divided by 2. So these are the two coordinates. Like C can be this. One coordinate is this. Like 1 plus under root 3 divided by 2, or 1 minus under root 3 divided by 2. So these can be the two possible coordinates of C.
Like the only x coordinate, right?
Yes, yeah, only x coordinate. And then you have to substitute this value and find y. So what is the answer given? Can you check? 30. 1, yeah.
7 minus 5 root 3 by
Mm-hmm.
2.
So for this particular value of x, if you want to find y, what was the equation? Y is equal to 5.
6 minus 5x.
Y is equal to, yeah, where I found that? 6 minus 5x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for this particular value, y is 6 minus of this 1 plus under root 3 divided by 2. So you will take LCM, right? So 12 minus then 1 plus under root 3, correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is 12 minus 1 and minus under root 3 divided by 2. So 12 minus 1 is 11 minus under root 3 divided by 2. Is that correct?
The answer is 7 minus 5 root 3 by 2.
Oh, what was the value of y basically? 6 minus 5x. Oh, 5. Oh, I'm not multiplying by 5 here. Wait, there was a 5, right?
Yes.
So this is 12 minus, then this 5 into 1 is 5, and then 5 under root 3, and then divided by 2. Yeah. So 12 and then minus of 5 and plus minus minus of 5 root 3 divided by 2. So now this is 7 minus 5 under root 3 divided by 2. And similarly for the other value, you can find the corresponding y.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, sure.
Questions can come for how many marks?
Yeah, it will come either in 4 marks, I think. 3, 4 marks.
Okay.
3 marks it can come, because only by equating the distances you cannot find it. It's a, combination of quadratic equation plus coordinate geometry.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will not come in 2 marks, 3 or 4 marks. Okay, so which question you were asking?
The fourth question of 5.5.
5.5. Fourth, 3 numbers are in AP, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
3 numbers are in AP. Okay. If the sum of these numbers be 27, so let the numbers are, can we take it A plus C like that? No. You have to take 3 numbers. So you can take like them. No, middle number is A. So the next number is A plus D. And then you can take A minus D. Am I right? Yeah.
We can also take A plus 2D, right?
No issue. You can take. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, are in AP. Okay. The sum of these numbers be 27. So if you add them, the sum is 27, right? So that implies A minus D and plus of A plus a plus d. See, if I'm taking like this, so ultimately d is getting cancelled. And if you take 2d, you will get an equation. Ultimately, then you have to solve linear equations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3a is equal to 27 here, and a will be 9. So directly you get your a. Now the product is this 648. So a minus d into a plus d is 648. Okay, now a minus d into a plus d is a square minus d square, right? Into a
Yes, ma'am.
is equal to 648. And if you put the value of a here directly, so this is a is 9 square and minus of d square, and I can bring this a here. So 648 and divided by 9. So 9 into 9 is 81 minus of d square is equal to, now is it divisible by 9? Yes. So 9 into 7 is 63, and then 18, 9 into 2 is 18. Right. And
Yes.
then 81 minus of 72, how much? I think again 9, 11, sorry, 11 minus 12. Yeah, what will I get? 81 minus 72 is equal to d square. How much is it? 11 minus 2 is 9. Yeah, 9, right?
Yes.
80 minus 72 is 8. Yeah, 9. Sorry, is equal to d square. So d is
3.
plus minus 3, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if when d is plus 3, right? So the numbers are a, basically a minus of 3, right? And then a, and then a plus of 3. And a you already got, which is 9. So 9 minus of 3, and then 9, and then 9 plus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 9, and 12. So, and similarly, you can find for d is equal to minus 3. So that means a minus d means a plus d, right? Then a,
Yes.
and a plus d means now a minus of d. So you will get it like this 12, and then 9 and 6. So ultimately, same numbers, right? You have to find numbers. I mean, the sequence is not important. So the numbers are 6, 9, 12.
Can you scroll up?
Hmm. So I think it's not required. I mean, because ultimately in the question, you have to find 3 numbers. So from one value also you can get it. Oh, sorry. If you take a plus d, a plus 2d, I think you can solve it, but you will get 2 linear equations in that case. You can try.
Okay.